Booking directly allows you to receive personalized service. Hispaniola will hold you by the hand from beginning to end. All of our transfers are done by professional drivers in air-conditioned buses. Our team will receive you with open arms and make sure you are properly oriented for your tour. Our multilingual team is well trained and prepared to provide our guests with the best service and peace of mind when it comes to safety. Our company's maximum capacity standard allows you to move around freely. A large catamaran is used for our semi-private tours with only 25 people on it. Hispaniola founded and operates the only floating kitchen in the area, exceeding all hygiene expectations by the Dominican Environmental Group. Our tour consists of 3 lovely stops at the best locations: a seafood lunch, snacks, open bar, Coco Loco cocktails, snorkeling equipment, an English guide, transportation, and professional photos free of charge, available to download from our Facebook page. Hispaniola Aquatic Adventures guarantees an amazing experience, and this is why over 30% of our clients become repeaters.